Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Surabhi Modi Sahai and I teach logic at CLAT Possible. So today we'll discuss how to identify the conclusion of an argument. Believe me everyone, identification of the conclusion in an argument is the most important first step for any question. Whether it's assumption, strengthen, weaken, all these questions require the correct identification of the conclusion as the first step. It is only in inference questions and some resolving the paradox questions that some phenomenon or situation is described and we need to resolve it or infer the conclusion as a part of the question. But for all the other questions, there is a pre-existing conclusion which needs to be identified. There are two simple steps to identify the conclusion. Number one, look out for the conclusion and premise indicators in the argument. Words like thus, therefore, hence tell us that the following line is the conclusion. And words like because, as, for, and since suggest that the following line is the premise. So, in this case, the conclusion must be elsewhere in the argument, either before or after this statement which gives the premise. Number two, in the absence of any indicators, look for the nature of the statement to suggest whether the statement due to its nature is a conclusion or not. Is the statement prescriptive, predictive, a causal claim or a factual claim, or maybe no conclusion is stated. Now what are these? What is a prescriptive conclusion? What's a predictive conclusion? For a more detailed video on this, please log on to clatpossible.com and know how to get access to our LMS for how to identify the conclusion or how to deconstruct an argument lectures. Thank you.